Welcome guys, we are Roberto Magdalena, and in today's video we are gonna help you to stop looking like a beginner. We're gonna show you 5 easy steps that you can do right now and that will help you a lot to look a lot better and more dynamic on the dance floor. So let's go. So guys, one of the easiest way to spot a beginner on the dance floor is because they are always or almost always doing their basic step from side to side. And also because they're also doing sometimes very big steps. So in this video, we're gonna show you 5 easy steps that are going to add more dynamic to your dance, and it will make you automatically look better. So we're gonna show them with music, one per one, and also we're gonna give you around a 1-minute explanation per move. So let's go.
Y dime mi amor, ¿por qué me mientes y no me miras de frente y me dices la verdad? Dime, ¿o es que acaso tú no sientes que me muero lentamente? No sé dónde iré a parar.
So guys, this first step is called break forward, or in Spanish, rompe delante. Let's show it super quick without a partner, and then we do it with the partner. We're gonna start tapping with the left foot, the leaders, and the followers, of course, with the right one, would be a break backwards. So we start, and we go step to the front, then we change our weight again to the back, and then we do a 90% rotation, a quarter turn to the left, and then we tap, and we continue our basic in 5, 6, 7. Let's do it one more time. Remember to always do 3 steps and a tap, so your normal basic. And rotate with the body. So we rotate, step forward, to the back, we rotate, we tap, and then we do our basic. So when doing this one, we can do it in all positions. We could be in the open position, in the semi-closed, or right now we're gonna do it in the closed position. So make sure that your feet are not alike 100%, but you are a little bit to the left, the leaders, okay? So our right foot is in the middle, and
so the follower now, as he already mentioned, we are going to do the break backwards. That means we start with our right to our back, and now we go to the front, we do our rotation, and we tap, and basic to the left.
yes.
So.
Let's do this one more time. So we start, like we said, we also go a little bit down, so we go down, down, we go up, we tap, and we continue the basic. Okay, guys? One more time from this point of view. In 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7.
Amor, ¿por qué me mientes y no me miras de frente y me dices la verdad? Dime, ¿o es que acaso tú no sientes que me muero lentamente? No sé dónde iré a parar. Dime, mi amor.
Okay, guys, so this second one, it's called Madrid step, or also just a diagonal step with a twist. So let's show it without the partner. We start again, as always, tapping with our left foot for the leaders, and we do our step diagonally back. So don't do it just here. Go diagonally back. 1. So this twist with the body as well. Then on 2, we do another twist and change the weight to the front. On 2. Then we walk on the diagonal. On 3. We tap and we repeat this one going to the front. So we open in the diagonally. On 5, we rotate with the weight, we do the 7, and we do the 8. Let's do it one more time. In 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's show it with a partner. This step is most commonly danced in the open position, but of course you can also try it in other positions as well. We have tension. Try not to move your arms a lot, guys. Let's do it first. 7, go. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly like in the break forward, we're going down on 1 and 2 and on 5, 6. So we go here. 7, 8, down, down, up, down, down, up.
Y dime, mi amor, ¿por qué me mientes y no me miras de frente y me dices la verdad? Dime, ¿o es que acaso?
Alright guys, so this next one is super easy. Let's start in the open position. We have tension as well. Remember, we are going to create space between us, which is something that we call open break. That happens on 3. This means between 2 and 3, we need to create some momentum so that we can push the follower while we also go to the back, okay? So we go here in 7, 8, 1. We create the momentum here, going with the arms a little bit up and to the back, and then on 3, we push, and 3. And now from here, we just walk next to each other and we open our frame. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 3 steps and a tap. That's all we need. Let's do it one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, if you're liking the video so far and you want to become a very good Bachata Sensual dancer, you have to check out our Bachata Sensual online programs. It's the link down below. And guys, in our online programs, we go in a lot of detail. We explain everything step by step, all of the fundamental figures and techniques that you need to take your Bachata Sensual to the next level. So make sure to check out the link in the description, guys. But now, let's continue with the video.
Dime mi amor, ¿por qué me mientes y no me miras de frente? Y me dices la verdad. Dime, ¿o es que acaso tú no sientes que me muero lentamente? No sé dónde iré a parar. Dime, mi amor, ¿por qué la gente ya te nota en mí?
Okay guys, so this one, the Paseala with accordion, is one of the most used steps. So we are all using it always. So make sure for this one, guys, we are in the L position. This means we are not facing each other, but we are in a 90-degree angle. And the follower is normally on our right side of the leaders. Now, guys, we have here connection. So our frame, 100% the arm connection, okay? So whenever we do this accordion, so we open, we go to the left, we send her to the right. On one, it's not that we are from here pushing her, but it's only that we are opening from here our arm. 1. So I'm not thinking about opening my elbow. 1, it's not I'm not opening a door. I'm opening from here. 1. And at the same time, I'm opening the other side of the accordion on 1. Okay? And of course, it is only works if the follower has contact with us over here. If we have the 100% arm connection. If we're there, it doesn't matter what we do, it will never work. So we do it 3 steps and a tap, just like always. So we go, we open, we do our step, we cross back, and we tap, okay? Let's do it one more time. In this other point of view, we go, we open, change the weight, cross back and rotate, and we tap, and then we continue with the basic on 7, 8.
Y dime, mi amor, ¿por qué me mientes y no me miras de frente? Y me dices la verdad. Dime, ¿o es que acaso?
And this one is the Completo. It's also a very dynamic move, which we also use always, and especially when we don't have a lot of space, because we are close together, we are walking in a circle, so turning together. For this, we are in the close position. We can also do it in the other positions, of course. We prepare in 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went up and we twisted, we rotated. Our weight is on the left, further on the right. Now with our axis, the axis is the right leg for us, for them is the left one. And we go down and do the basic step while turning. 5, 6, 7, tap. Let's do it one more time from this point of view. In 7, 8, 1, 2. Prepare, up, down, down, up, tap. Perfect, guys. Remember, the Completo, it's called Completo because it's supposedly a complete circle. But we don't really need to do that. Like you saw right now, we did a half a circle. But you can do a quarter of a circle, 3 quarters, 1 complete circle, or even more. So just play with it depending on the music.
Y dime, mi amor, ¿por qué me mientes y no me miras de frente? Y me dices la verdad. Dime, ¿o es que acaso tú no sientes que me muero lentamente? No sé dónde iré a parar. Dime, mi amor, ¿por qué la gente ya te nota indiferente? Los escucho murmurar que tú me vas a dejar.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like. Let us know which move was your favorite. And also make sure to check out our online programs, the first link in the description. See you next time.